So as we already understood the poem Schoolboy, now we are going to do RTC. Okay, one line question answers of the poem. We have done first paragraph and we were on question. Question, give antonyms. Can you tell me the question number, beta?
Ma'am, question 6. Question 6.
Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Question number 6. Give antonyms.
Ma'am, no, it's question number 7.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Question
Question
number
number
7.
7. Give antonyms.
Yes.
Give antonyms. So I think we have done morning, summer, winter. We have done, I think. Morning, evening.
Yes,
we have
ma'am. We
done.
have done.
Yes. So I think we have covered all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll move on to the next question. Give other forms of verbs. Other forms of verbs. First, love, loved, loved. Next, sing, sang, sung. You can write in chat, children. You can write in chat. Okay. Third one. Sing, rise, rise, rose, risen, risen. Identify the kind of sentence. Next question. Identify the kind of sentence. Identify the kind of sentence.
मैम ये पैरा 1 का ही काम है.
Yes, beta. Can you speak in English? This is the work of paragraph 1. Okay. Identify the kind of sentence. Sentence is, oh, what sweet company. Oh, what sweet company. What a sweet company, I think. What a sweet company. So can you tell me this sentence, children? What kind of sentence it is?
Exclamatory sentence.
Yes, absolutely right. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Very good. Now we'll move on to the next paragraph. Okay. I think you have done this.
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll move on to the next paragraph. We'll take from here. But to go to school in a summer, we have taken 6 lines. Again, we are going to take 6 lines. 2, 2, 4, and 5. 5 lines we have taken. 2, 2, 4, and 5. Okay. So, but to go to school in a summer morn, oh, drives it all joy away. Under a cruel eye outworn, the little one spends the day in sighing and dismay. Okay, till this much you will take. But to go to school till dismay. We'll repeat the questions. I'll write
Name the
here.
poem and its poet.
Yes, yes. You'll write here, but.
Write rhyming scheme, rhyming words.
Yes, yes, but then dismay. Up till this much you will take. Now name the poem and its poets. Name the poem.
Name the poem,
And its
The
poet.
Schoolboy. Name of poet, William Blake.
William Blake. You are going to write the full answer, children. The name of the poem is The Schoolboy and the poet name is William Blake. Okay. Question 2. Question 2. Kindly turn on your
Give
cameras, children.
Game rhyming words and rhyming.
Kindly turn on your cameras. Turn on your cameras, children. Turn on your cameras, everyone. Next, give rhyming scheme and rhyming words. Give rhyming scheme and rhyming words. Scheme and rhyming words. Rhyming words. Yes, what is a rhyming scheme and rhyming words? Rhyming words are rhyming
Mourn,
words are,
mourn, outworn, away, day, dismay.
yes, words are mourn, outworn, mourn, outworn, outworn, then you're having away, day, dismay, away, day, dismay. So rhyming scheme will be rhyming scheme will
A,
be
B, A, B, B.
very good. Rhyming scheme will be the rhyming scheme is we will write small letters A B A B B. So I think you have done 7th question. Shall I rub it, bitter? Shall
Yes,
I rub
ma'am.
that? Okay. So what will be the next question? What will be the next question, children?
Give homophones.
Yes, give homophones. Give homophones. Question 3. Give homophones.
And first is 2.
Yes. 2. T-O. You can write T-double-O and T-W-O. Okay. Then in. I-N. I-double-N. Then I. Then any other homophone you can find, children? And okay, fine, children. Now the next question is question 4. What takes the joy away? What takes the joy away? What takes the joy away? Can you tell me, children, what takes the joy away?
Going school early. Going
Yes.
school early.
In a summer morning, takes the joy,
Summer morning.
takes the
going
joy
to
away.
school Takes away the
Yes.
joy.
Yes. In summer
तो वो
morning,
बनवा रही थी
going to
तो
school
वो शेष
takes the
बनवाई इसने
joy.
पूरा खराब
Mute yourself. Mute yourself, better. Give antonyms. Give antonyms.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Summer.
please tell the answer of question number 4.
You tell me. You try. What do you think? Tell me that. Tell me, Vita. At least try. I'll rectify you. Speak up. What takes the joy away? Going to school in a summer morning takes the joy away. Okay. Going to school in early morning takes the joy away. I think you have done all these questions, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the next question is give antonym.
Yes, give antonyms. Morning, evening, summer, winter, joy, sadness, then cruel, kind, cruel, kind, summer, winter, morning, evening, joy, sadness, cruel, kind. Away, near, near, then
Ma'am, 6 and
spend, save, one, many. Any other children you can find? Little,
6 stand.
little, big. Where is it?
Ma'am,
That is the next paragraph.
last third.
Not here. That is not here. Okay.
Ma'am, under.
Under, under, over. Okay. Give other forms of verbs. Give other forms of verbs. Of verbs. Go, went, gone. Go, went, gone. Next is drive. Drove, driven. Next is spend, spent, spent. Spent, spent, spent. Sit, sat, sat. Next. You will not take this sit. That is of next paragraph. Okay. We can add one more
Ma'am, what
antonym
is
over
the
here.
meaning
Day,
of
night.
display?
You tell me the meaning of dismay. Not joyful. Okay. Not having hope. Okay. Under, over, day, night. Day, night.